Are you planning to start an e-commerce business, or do you want to design an e-commerce website using WordPress? Have you actually thought about the kind of WordPress themes that you're going to be making use of to design your online WordPress website? In this tutorial, I'm going to be examining 9 best free WordPress theme for e-commerce. In this post, we'll be examining 9 best free WordPress themes for e-commerce. If you're planning to start an e-commerce website to sell your products, or you are in the process of looking for a good theme for your e-commerce website, then don't look far because I'm going to be showing you the best free WordPress theme that you can sign into you, the best free 9 WordPress themes that are out there. Now, these are the free WordPress themes that I have actually used either on my own personal website or for my client. But then let's ask ourselves, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is simply the buying and selling of services and products over the internet, where your online customers get to make use of their mobile phones such as Android, iPad, tablets, Windows phones, iPhones, or their laptop or desktop computers connected to the internet to actually transact business online directly with you. Now, all transactions like payments of such goods can actually take place online on a very secure site without any hassle. Though offline payment can also be initiated. Examples of e-commerce websites include Jumia, Amazon, Dealdey, Pointek Online, and even Konga. Now, this leads us to another question. What is a WordPress theme? Now, a WordPress theme is basically a group of files which include graphics, style sheets, layout, and code upon which the overall appearance of a blog or website is based. So, now is the time to actually look at the top 9 best free WordPress theme for e-commerce websites. Now, the first thing we are going to be considering is the modern e-commerce WordPress theme. Now, the modern e-commerce theme is one of the best free WordPress theme out there for any e-commerce site. It can be used to create a website in the following niche: bookstore, fashion store, shoe stores, watches, electronic store. The truth is that it can actually be used for any online shop because it has the following features. Basic options include: it is modern, it is elegant, it is sophisticated, it is minimal. It is retina ready in design. It is based on bootstrap and framework, which makes it very handy to use. It is actually translated ready and supports RTL layout. It is optimized for speed, hence it actually loads without any glitches. You can add short codes to it if you know coding. It is written with clean and secure code. It is user-friendly theme. It is actually user-friendly theme. It offers many options for customization and personalization. It is SEO friendly too, which actually make will actually help in making your website, rank higher on major search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The responsive layout of the theme actually makes it mobile friendly. Therefore, it actually fits nicely on any device easily. Now, as of this writing, this theme actually it was last updated on the 5th of October 2021, which actually means it's currently always being updated. It has an active installation of Story Plus and requires WordPress version 5.0 or higher and a PHP version 7.0 or higher to actually work very well. Now, the second on our list is the e-commerce focus team. Now, this actually is child of a photo focus team. Now, the e-commerce focus is one of the best free WordPress team for e-commerce website. You can actually use it for all kinds of online stores and businesses that display their services and products online. Now, it has the following features. It is elegant, it is clean, it is also fully responsive. It comes with an elegant e-commerce design. It is perfect for online shops. It is WooCommerce ready. It allows you to actually showcase your product in the most pleasing way possible. Now, it comes with many featured sections like featured content, featured slider, portfolio, services, testimonials, promotion, airline, WooCommerce, written product, and more. And actually, it is highly customizable. Now, it allows you to fine tune your website looks and feel because it is actually fully responsive too. Now, I'm going to put all these things I'm actually mentioning, I'm going to put the download link in the description section below. Now, this theme was actually last updated on the 21st of May 2021, which means that it's currently always been updated. It has an active installation of 4 Plus and requires WordPress version 5.0 or higher and a PHP version 5.6 or higher to actually work very well. The third on the list is the Ecommerce Center. Now, Ecommerce Center is also, as I've said, one of the best free WordPress team for e-commerce website. So, if you have in mind to design an e-commerce website, Ecommerce Center is actually there for you to use, and it's actually free to download. Yes, there's also a paid version, but the free version actually will actually do a lot of work for you. That is an ideal team for creating any e-commerce website, B2B, e-procurement, smart home products and accessories, hardware, furniture, shops, gadget store, clothes, kitchen online shop, organic shop, retail store, automobile store, food sale, photo store, movie store, clothing, interior store, home appliances shop, fashion, you name it. And the e-commerce store team is actually good and will work fine for any type of e-business that you want to work on. Now it also has the following basic feature which include an addition modem. It is elegant, sophisticated, it is minimal, retina ready, and it also works on the Bootstrap framework, which makes it very handy to use. It's also translation ready. It is optimized for speed. You can also insert your own short code to do any other thing that you want to do. It is well written and it's actually secure. It's also a very good user friendly team. It is also SEO friendly. This will also make you rank well on the search engine. Now, the responsive layout of the team actually make it mobile friendly. Therefore, it fits nicely on any device. As of this writing, this team was actually last updated on the 21st of May 2021, which actually means that it's currently only being updated and it has an active installation of more than 400, which its requirement actually include WordPress version 5.0 or PHP version 5.6. It's I'll also put the download link and for the demo on the download link there in the description below. The fourth thing that we're going to be talking about is the e-commerce Plus. Now, once you finish designing it, this is how it's going to look. You can see on the screen how the design looks. So it's also one of the best free WordPress theme out there. It can be used for any type of e-commerce store that you want to design. It is elegant, clean, fully responsive. Uh, it's perfect for online shops. It is WooCommerce ready. It allows you to actually showcase your product in the most pleasing way. It is highly customizable. It comes with lots of features, which actually include featured content, feature slider, portfolio, services, testimonial, promotional headline. It's actually you also have a WooCommerce recent product and much more than that. It is also fully responsive. It also has a slider. As I said before, it has a WooCommerce product slider, product grid, product category list, widget, wish list, and product compare buttons. It also has a front page that actually comes with it with many design options for you to actually customize. Now with this team, I tell you that you can actually design professional quality online stores without any advanced knowledge. You actually don't need an advanced knowledge to use this particular WordPress theme called Ecommerce Plus. Now the fifth on our list is the classic e-commerce WordPress theme. And the classic e-commerce WordPress theme is actually specifically designed for e-commerce online sites, such stores as shoe store, organic product, watch store, storefront, smart home product, accessories, e-vehicle, home decor, mobile gadget, and jewelry store. You name baby store, jewelry store, kitchen online shop. As long as you are actually looking to sell products online, you can actually use this amazing theme for displaying any business product or information on your online. It has the following features. The basic options include it has basic options. It is modern, elegant, it's sophisticated, it is minimal, retina ready. It's also based on the Bootstrap framework. It's translation ready. It is optimized for speed. It is user friendly, SEO friendly, and as of this writing, this team was actually last updated on the 14th of September 2021, which actually means that it's actually currently updated and has more than 1,000 plus active installation. Now, like those who've also been mentioned, it actually requires you to make use of a WordPress version 5.6 or higher. The same also goes with the PHP version that it works with. The next is actually the global e-commerce WordPress Star team. Now, this once you finish working on this particular e-commerce team, this is how this the front page is going to look like. Now, as long as you're looking to selling products online, you can actually use this amazing theme. It actually work well for any kind of online store. You name it, this particular theme will work fine with it. It is actually modern, elegant, sophisticated. It is minimal retina ready. It works on a bootstrap framework, which means it's come very handy for you to use. Optimized for speed, translation ready, user friendly, SEO friendly. And of this writing, it was actually updated last on the 20th of August 2020. This actually means that it's currently always been updated. So it has an active installation of more than 200 and requires a WordPress version 5.6 and a PHP version 5.6 to actually work very well. So number 8 on our list is actually the e-commerce storefront. Now it's also one of the best free WordPress themes out there for any e-commerce site. It can also be used to develop any online businesses. You can actually use it in conjunction with the easy to download shopping cart, storefront, portfolio, and other website. It has the following features. It is WooCommerce. It has WooCommerce integration. It has header and further customization. It has hero content. It also has demographic features. It is compatible with YITH WooCommerce wishlist. It's also compatible with WooCommerce Compare. That's YITH WooCommerce Compare. It's compatible with Commerce variation swatches and other popular plugins. It is actually a multi-purpose theme. It has elegant and sophisticated design. The theme uses Bootstrap framework. It has responsive design. It is user-friendly. It is clean coded minimal just stunning with full with template. It has a faster loading time and quick response, and has the core website size of your website. You can also include your social existence and build credibility with this WordPress team. As of this writing, this team was last updated on the 5th of November 2020. It's also currently yearly updated. It's an active installation of more than 1,000 and requires WordPress version 5.6 or higher and PHP version 5.6 or higher to actually work well. Now, the last on the list is actually the e-commerce star. Now, as just same with the ones you have actually mentioned, this particular e-commerce star WordPress team can also, do all the function of all the WordPress team that have also been mentioned before. It is a multi-purpose team. It's elegant, sophisticated, uses a Bootstrap framework. It has a responsive design. It's also user friendly. It's also support popular page builders. That is what actually differentiate this particular WordPress e-commerce team from the ones that we've mentioned previously, because this actually supports popular page builders such as Elementor, Beaver Builder, Site Origin, Tribe Architect, DB, Bristly, and Visual Composer. It is also compatible with YITH WooCommerce Wishlist, YITH WooCommerce Compare, WooCommerce Variations, Swatches, and other popular plugins. And don't forget that this particular WordPress theme is also SEO friendly, WPML and RTL, ready. It also has a cross browser compatibility. So now you've seen the top WooCommerce, the top e-commerce WordPress theme that you can actually use to build your online store. I tell you that you can actually make use of any of these WordPress e-commerce online store theme that I've actually mentioned in this video. It's actually as I've said, it actually depends on the style of the front page one. That is why I've taken time to actually show you the front page of all of each of this theme. So depending on the front page and how you want the front page to be arranged, because don't forget that even when your customers visit your site, your online store, online store, the first thing they're going to see is your front page. So which of this front e-commerce store do you like its front page? I think that will actually first of all determine the one you go for. Then you now compare and contrast what they can actually do. But then each can actually also do the work of the so finally, let me know the one you actually, finally make up your mind to actually use among the 9 that I've mentioned. Do not forget to actually subscribe to Educraft World channel if you have not yet done that. Also like this video. Don't also forget to share this video, because I know for sure that there's somebody out there that needs the information contained in this video tutorial. And don't forget to hit the notification button. Thank you.